rubbish. Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Hope you're having a great day because today is my favorite day. So, क्या हुआ? First class था and then the second class got cancelled because of some connectivity issue. इतना खुश हुआ मैं. So I slept and सीधा 10:30 का I got up now. I just got up now and I'm gonna have my andas. Yeah, there's peri on it. You know, cause I'm an innovator and I innovate things. So, try it once. It's just yummy. Boiled egg and anda. Boiled egg and anda. नहीं wait shit. Boiled egg and peri peri. You body चाहिए मेरे जैसी ऐसी इससे थोड़ी ज़्यादा. So then what you have to do? What I do is one boiled egg in the morning and a glass of protein shake. And शाम को वापस protein shake का एक glass बस. And what's the plan for today? The plan for today is that my best friend, you all know him, Nikhil. Yes, he's coming at my house for a sleepover. Let's go. But उसके पहले भी I have to take a bath now. Then I'll have my protein shake and then 1 बजे I have to leave. 1:30 को we are meeting for his birthday treat. उसकी his birthday was on 29th. So then please guys just comment and say belated happy birthday, wish him. Anyway, so we are going to meet there, the whole group. I'll try shooting. I have met them literally thrice in this week. But no, everyone is like, भाई तू shoot नहीं करेगा, तू vlog नहीं करेगा. अभी मैं तो करने वाला हूँ ये time. 3 बार थोड़ी ना miss करूँगा मैं यार. Anyways, so we are going to go to lunch and then from there he's coming directly with me at my house and then we are going to do a lot of things. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Hey guys, so now in half an hour I have to leave, so I have to now change. I'm not going in this for sure. What if there is some nice girl and we fall in love? She won't fall in love with this. So I have to change. I'm gonna wear this. This is my father's t-shirt, literally. And he doesn't know. He doesn't know I took it. I've taken 3 t-shirts of his and he still doesn't know that I have his t-shirts. So yesterday I was in my class and my mom just took 3 t-shirts from his cupboard and she was like, he doesn't wear it, just wear it and keep it. I was like, okay, done. So I'm gonna wear this and this jeans. Oh, okay, wait. Yes, see y'all after changing. Let's do a cool transition. Let's go. I changed. Wow, what is new in that? Anyways, I changed my t-shirt. This is not t-shirt, this is pant. And I changed it because it was very lightish and I didn't like it. It was not vibing with me. And if you want to vibe with me, then please come on my Instagram. Yes, follow me and subscribe to our channel, Party People. Okay, now I want to wear this white shoes, but they are dirty. Look at this. So now I have to clean it 10 minutes before I have to leave.
ऐसे तो बड़ा डायरेक्टर नहीं बात ना वो सब तेरे लिए जब हम वो लिखेंगे कि आया शुरू गुड डायरेक्टर मैं तो लिखूंगी जाके ना रेफरेंस तुम्हें लिखने को पूछेगा ही नहीं
किसने पूछा तेरे को गलत स्पेलिंग वाला रिव्यू लिखेंगे. Hey guys, so we just reached home and now we're going to do exercise.
किसी ने पूछा क्या?
Okay, so in this I'm teaching Nikhil how to box in the correct way because otherwise he can get hurt. And I'm going to demonstrate it for him. So now Nikhil is going to teach me his core exercise. हाँ तो रैप से क्या लेना है? बोला पहले, ऐसे कैसे करूं मैं? आओ कमरिया। मंगलसूत्र कहते हैं उसको।
तेरी गांड मेरे मुंह में। पीछे एक्सरसाइज मैं तेरे को बताऊंगा, मेरे को फॉलो करना, फॉलो करना।
First, rock paper scissors. Mentally challenged my boy.
मेंटल बॉय।
नहीं ज़्यादा नहीं, सिर्फ इतना उठना है। देख सिर्फ इतना फुल कर बताऊंगा, पूरा उठ साले।
पूरा उठ गया। Guys, this might be my last video ever because I'm going to die after like 2 minutes. Hey guys, so now it's around 12 o'clock and we both are literally sleepy because सुबह का class था, we both had classes and you know overnight का एक ही rule है, no sleeping. So now we are going to make coffee for us. Look at him, coffee बना रहा है खुद का. He's making cold coffee without ice cream. I know that's illegal but I don't care. And I'm going to make my black coffee. इसका दलगोना टाइप कॉफ़ी है, मेरा ब्लैक कॉफ़ी है. आई ड्रिंक दिस क्योंकि इससे ज़्यादा एनर्जी मिलता है, जगने का पावर. यू सी दिस बॉडी. आर्म रेसलिंग टाइम गाइस.
हाथ पीछे रख।
हाँ चलो. अल्लाह गाइस, जस्ट लुक एट द बॉडी. रेडी सेट गो. ये टाइम ज़्यादा पकड़ के रखा मैंने.
अबे थक गया यार। बैठ।
ओके, 1 महीने में हम ये गोइंग डू दिस अगेन एंड इसको डिफीट करके रहूँगा. ठीक है, डील साइंड.
देखते हैं, नहीं किया तो क्या, नहीं किया तो क्या,
करके रहूँगा. तो लिख के ले ले. रेडी सेट.
लेफ्ट बोला था ना वीक है, लेफ्ट मेरा कुछ नहीं है,
मैं दोनों साइड से ट्रेनिंग करता हूँ इसलिए.
बड़ा
रैंडम ओनली रैंडम. आपको तो प्यार से बुला देते हैं. एक्सक्यूज मी ब्रदर, ब्रदर टी-शर्ट. हे गाइस, so it is currently around 1 o'clock and हम लोग लिटरली yesterday ये टाइम पे मिले थे. मतलब 24 hours हम लोग साथ में रहे पहली बार. कैसा लग रहा है निखिल?
बहुत मजा आया.
माइंड इज ब्लोइंग.
सोने नहीं दिया इसने.
ओनर पे कोई सोता है. एनीवेज, आज का व्लॉग इधर खत्म होता है. प्लीज इफ यू लाइक इट देन प्लीज गिव अ थम्स अप. बोलना ये लोग को
हमजा आप लाइक करो. बेचारे का थोड़े कम सब्सक्राइबर से सपोर्ट दो, बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं.
यस गाइस, सुन लिया. ओके, सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. पीस.
She's steady dripping Sailor on. She got the perfect face, thumbing through the deck of